Experiencing iOS 18 hotspot not working after updating? Don't worry, this video covers quick fixes to get your hotspot running smoothly again. Let's dive in. Part 1. Why won't Personal Hotspot work on iPhone? Cellular data is turned off. You don't have enough cellular data. You have an outdated version of iOS. Your iPhone may not be compatible. The APN settings may have been reset or lost. Part 227 Ways to fix iOS 18 hotspot on iPhone not working. 1. Check with your carrier and activate cellular data plan. Unable to connect to your personal hotspot? Check if your carrier supports it. Contact them to confirm it's enabled on your data plan. Some plans may restrict hotspot use. 2. Try connecting to personal hotspot with another device. Try connecting with another device to see if the issue is with your iPhone or the other device. Ensure Personal Hotspot is enabled under Settings Personal Hotspot, and recheck the password. 3. Turn airplane mode on and off. Toggle airplane mode on and off to reset your network. Open Control Center, tap the airplane icon, wait a few seconds, and turn it off again. 4. Restart your device. Restart your device. Disable cellular data under Settings Cellular. Restart your iPhone, then enable cellular data and personal hotspot again. 5. Reset network settings. Reset network settings to fix persistent issues. Note this erases saved Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and VPN connections, so back them up first. 6. Turn on Maximize compatibility for iPhone 12 and later models. iPhone 12 and later models are equipped with different network features, such as 5 grams, which sometimes interfere with the personal hotspot connection. To resolve this issue, try enabling the Maximize compatibility option. 8. Fix hotspot not working on iOS 18. Using iOS system recovery. If none of the above solutions work and your iPhone personal hotspot still isn't working, the problem may be related to your iOS system. In this case, you can use iOS system recovery to fix the problem. iPhone keeps turning on and off randomly? Just fix it with iOS system recovery in easy steps. Step 1. Download and install the recommended software on your computer and connect to your iOS device. Launch the software and select iOS System Recovery. Step 2. Once your device is detected, verify and confirm its information. Next, select Repair Mode and tap the Optimize button. Step 3. Select the iOS version you want and download the firmware package to fix the hotspot issue. Step 4. Once downloaded, this utility will automatically start repairing your iPhone. Once it is finished, you will be able to use your iPhone's hotspot feature normally.